Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Explore with Janet. My name is Janet David. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and I'm here to actually gist about my hair. What did I say? You heard me right. My hair. Now, I get a lot of comments, compliments everywhere that I go. As I go to church, oh, I love your hair. Some people have cut their hair because of mine. You can't believe that, right? But that's the truth. Some people have cut their hair because of my hair. They love my hair, both women, men. They just love the hair. I went to make a haircut one day, and a man met me there. He was so excited and happy about the way I'm cutting my hair. In fact, he associated it with that any woman that cuts their hair, that they have this confidence. Say, oh God, be coming down. Like, you just felt that they have this aura around them that shows strength. And I was really appreciative. He really appreciated it to the extent that he paid for my haircut. And I said, Oga, thank you. In short, so I've gotten a lot of compliments, and I just thought, why not just share with people? Just like 2 weeks ago, one of my child's teacher also called me, and I was like, madam, what do you do to this? Your hair is just special and different. I had to tell her everything. And something about me is that when I have an information about something that is going to benefit another person, I don't hide it. Why should I hide it? Am I selling it? Well, that's just the way I am, and that's the way I think. So I like to share. I like to add value to other people. So I want to share what the beauty regimen that I do for my hair on a daily basis. So my hair, I cut it practically every 2 weeks because I have a very rapid growth, and I will say that rapid growth, one of the things about the rapid growth is the shea butter whipped cream that I produce. Let me show you. Of course, I'm promoting my own product. So this is the shea butter whipped cream. You can see it. All right. I call it Comax shea butter. I formed the name with the number of essential oils that I use and add to it. You can see it. It's very white, almost white, and it's actually like yellowish white, like milky, and the smell is heavenly. So I have four essential oils that I add to this that helps. So all my children, they use it. You just take a little bit like this, very smooth and fluffy, you know. So you just take a little bit, and let me show you. If you rub it on your hand here, see, just watch. You can see how shiny it is. It's very nice. So that's with this shea butter. You love it. So it helps my hair to grow fast. So I don't have any problem with edges. I don't have any problem with loss of hair. So it helps my hair. It enhances hair growth. So if you want your hair to grow well, I recommend this Comax shea butter. And this is the small size. It goes for 400 naira. Some supermarkets that I supply to, of course, they sell it like 500. So you can get it. And I also have a bigger size of it. This is it. You can see the bigger size is the same sticker on it, and then this one is for 800 naira. Some sell it 900. So, and very nice, very nice. So back to my hair, like I was saying, that I just cut my hair every 2 weeks. If you look at my hair, you can see that it's gray. I have some white hair everywhere. I'm just 40. It's not as if I'm old. So, but the hair is like that because it's hereditary. So I have my mom, she has gray hair all over. So you can't blame me. I follow my mama. So I get this. So because of that, I use this product called Milky Way. You see it? Sorry, the milky part has cut off when I was trying to open it. So it's called Milky Way. It's just for 450 naira. So I use it like 4 to 5 times, and because I just need like 2 scoops to relax the hair. Of course, the hair is short, so it doesn't need so much relaxer. So when I use it, one of the reasons why I use it is because it darkens the hair. So it helps the hair to get darker, and then all this gray, you will not see them again, or even if it's there, it will be very fainty. It darkens all the hair. This one doesn't usually go, it just turns brown, and then the rest turns black. Now when I'm done with relaxing the hair, sorry, I'm going to show you pictures after the video so you see exactly how the hair looks like when it's not relaxed, and how the hair looks like while I'm relaxing, and also after everything is done. So the next thing that I do after relaxing, I leave it for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then when I'm done with that, I just go ahead and wash the hair with normal shampoo. So you can decide on any shampoo that you want to use, but I just use my petal shampoo and conditioner. That's what I do. And then when I'm done washing and applying my conditioner, and then I rinse off also, what's next? The next thing that I do is to apply my shea butter whipped cream. Just like I said, I just take a little and then I apply, so it's have its food. You know, that's my hair food. It needs food, just like human being eat, hair too needs to eat. So when I'm done with that, there's this Eco Style gel. You see it? I love the transparent one. There's a black one, but this transparent one, I love it so much. And it's just, they call it Eco Style Crystal. So this one, I love it, and it's alcohol free. It's for all hair types. So I just take a little bit and apply it. But this is empty, so it's finished. This is another one. This one is with olive oil. If you can see it, with olive oil here, and then I just take a little, you know, like this. See, I take this quantity, and then I just rub it on my palm, and I apply it every part of my hair, everywhere. And this is how I apply it. I don't want to use it right now, but I'll just show you. So I apply it on my palm, and then my 2 hands, I apply it all over my hair, and I go back and forth, front and back, so it brings out the coil. If you can see very well, you see that the coils are forming. You can see the coils form, and it's because of that movement. So you just see the coils coming out, and it stays like this that you are looking at. I've done it like 3 days, so it lasts me for like 3 days. It can even last longer, but that's just the way I like to apply mine and look fresh. So, and when I'm done with that, I'm good to go. I don't comb it at all. I don't comb it. Sorry, there's a pattern here, but it has already gone off. That's what I'm telling you. I just had a haircut like last week, and now the pattern has gone, for you to know that my hair grows so fast. So that's what this shea butter can do. I think it helps a rapid growth of hair. No hair loss, no frontal hair loss or whatsoever. You see, all my frontal hair, they are there. I don't lose front hair now. So I hope you like it. So that's just the way it is. I'm going to, you see the pictures so you can relate when you are doing it the right way. So try it. I want you to try it out. I want you to leave a comment also on which of the products that I showed you would like to. I'm not promoting any product too. Of course, I'm promoting my own product, because shea butter whipped cream for Comax Shea is the best. Yes, I said that is the best. So now I want you to try it out, and then leave a comment at the comment section and tell me which of the products you like to try, and also ask any question if you have any. I believe that you've gotten value from this video. I want you to Help me to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Until I see you next time, this is Explore with Janet. Thank you and bye.